Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello and thank you for your interest in our Octavia vRS. This is the brand new shape Octavia, just launched, and this one has the new automatic gearbox. I'll show you more inside. Very practical but also very powerful, 245 brake horsepower. Electric tailgate on this car now, and a huge big boot space. So inside the car you can see lots of space in the back, so very practical despite this being a very sporty car. Good leg room and headroom. And inside the car here you can see the sports seats that come standard on the vRS with the sports steering wheel. This particular car has the digital dashboard as well, the very latest big screen infotainment system, and there's the gear stick, nothing in the way, nice and open, lots of space inside the car, making it very practical, very nice to drive, but also very quick. Please let us know if you have further questions about the car. Our phone number is 020 8686 8844, or you can contact us via the website or via email. Okay, thank you, bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.